Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee and I'm here to help you use Excel in the most efficient way. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to lock a sheet in Excel with a password. First, click into the top left hand corner of the sheet and highlight the whole sheet. Use the right click to find the Format Cells option. In the pop-up window that appears, go to the Protection and make sure the box Locked is ticked. This means that all the cells in the spreadsheet can be locked. Next, right-click down at the bottom of the screen where you can see the sheet name and select the option Protect Sheet. You'll be given a pop-up window where you can type in a password to secure the sheet. In this window, you'll also choose which changes you'd like to allow other users to make. Some options are already selected by default. For example, select Lock Cells, which allows other users to click into a locked cell within the spreadsheet. Once you've set up everything, enter a password and click OK. Excel will then ask you to retype the password as a reminder that it's important to remember it in case you forget it. To test that it works, try to click into a cell within the sheet. If you attempt to overwrite the data in the cell, Excel will not allow it and an alert message will be shown. However, if you are only trying to format the cell, it should be allowed based on the settings you chose earlier. If you need to lock only some of the cells within the sheet, not the whole spreadsheet, the procedure is slightly different. You can find the tutorial on how to lock cells in Excel in the video description below. To unlock the sheet for editing, right-click on the sheet name, select Unprotect Sheet, enter the password, and the sheet becomes editable again. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by Sheet Leveler. Is this your first time here? We'd love to have you join our online community. Hit that subscribe button and learn to excel like a boss. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.